Hi friends, in this video I am going to check this Faber Castell child safe scissors. See, this is the MRP of the product. Here you can see the description. Let me open this. See, this is the product. Let me test. Let me change the thickness of the paper. Okay, let me test. This is very good scissors. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.